Hello everyone, welcome to Gamer Happy tutorial, and here's how to get Claude Code, which is an AI coding editor running on your Android. A GUI environment, actually, so you can get Termux in Termux X11 or Termux and VNC. And you must have VS Code installed, a GitHub account to log into VS Code, and an Anthropic account for our Claude setup. So I'm going to remove my anti-gravity extension. And it's just a leftover extension, and then what I'm going to do is just search for Google. Oh. It requires a key ring, apparently. I'm going to search for it, and it should show Google, and then I'm going to uninstall it now. I'm just going to restart it now, and this is what I want. I'm going to close the extensions now, and then we don't need VS Code right now, but you need to sign into GitHub to use VS Code's GitHub Copilot AI if you're having trouble. So open your terminal, and then we need to type in this command. It might be a little wrong, but always check the Claude Code installation guide if it's not installing correctly. Curl? You need to have curl installed for this to work. So type in sudo apt install all curl. This is for my distribution, Ubuntu 24.04, which has support till 2029. So I already have curl installed, so I'm going to type in curl-fsl. The capital S and capital L, the last two letters need to have a capital, and then type in https://claude.ai/install.sh bash. You need to include this character. So then it's going to set up Claude Code, and then after that it should show like a command, and then you have to type in. Then you just type in that command, and then it's going to restart your shell. I'm in ZSH, so that means you have to copy the command for ZSH, and then you have to type in this command once it's done restarting ZSH, and you type in that command, Claude --version. This is only a confirmation command to confirm that Claude has been installed. So if it shows any text showing like numbers and Claude Code, then you're good to go. Then type in Claude. You will need to do initial setup. So you have to select your theme. I recommend that it matches your terminal. And then you have to. This is when you need your Anthropic account. Once you're done doing that, it should show like a pop-up like third-party account, Anthropic account. Choose Anthropic console account, and then it should open a browser in your desktop. And then just sign up for an Anthropic account, and then once it's done and doing so, it will show like a success message. You can just close it, and then it should log in, and then it will show this pop-up. So then just press enter. And now I have Claude code running. So now what I want to do is just close this. It's fine, and then open VS Code. We do not have to install any extensions for this. VS Code has a feature called Terminal, and then we can open a terminal inside VS Code, and I'm going to test it. New terminal. And then it's going to open a terminal like this. It's going to load. Okay, I just gotta wait for it. Now it's loading. Then we can type in Claude in here. Okay, then it should load into Claude Code. I don't know why it's taking a long time on this VS Code. Maybe it's just my phone. Well, yeah, my phone is like 8 gigs of RAM or something like that. I highly recommend and kind of restarting the terminal if it doesn't work. And I'm going to use new terminal window. Okay, so this should give us some more room. And I can launch Claude in here. Yeah, just use new terminal window. It will give you a lot more room, and then trust the folder, and then you just have to press enter again. And it should load you into Claude. For some reason, my windows just turn white. Maybe it's just my customization. Now I can type in a prompt, like, create a C++ app that lets you track your bills. Okay, I think you need credits to do this. Yeah, but if you really want to, you can install Llama, which is what you should try. I recommend the local models because you don't have to sign into Llama. So, I'll do this in another video. See you later, everyone, and don't forget to like and subscribe.